Use the term OPor Bebek. Stand on your feet. Don't depend on the authority of your parents or other people. Develop your mind and be friendly to the environment. Human satisfaction is when you can build your own. Do not depend on parents or other people. If you are given, always be grateful. It means that it is your lawful fortune. If not given, don't complain. Because believe me, God will give you a replacement. Because you have done a good deed.